Running out of money isn't usually caused by a single unexpected disaster. It happens because a wave of separate business expenses all hit your bank account at the exact same time. If you can't see those upcoming software bills, tax payments, or inventory orders on a visual timeline, you can't plan for them. QuickBooks has a fantastic tool built directly inside the cash flow planner that lets you stage future cash outflows without messing up your actual tax books. Today, I'm going to show you how to manually forecast upcoming expenses in just a few clicks. Let's get to it. First, let's open our layout by going to the search box and type Cash Flow Planner. After that, you will find the menu and you can click on it. Once the page loads, scroll down right under your main line graph, and you'll find a warning banner labeled Overdue Transactions showing you exactly how many items are currently choking up your system. Over on the right-hand side, look for the bright green Add Item button and go ahead and click it. A new blank entry bar will open up inline right at the top of your list. First, click into the date box and select the exact future date this expense is going to clear your bank account. Next, give it a clear description, like quarterly tax payment, and type the value into the amount field. Now, here's the critical step. Make sure you toggle the radio button to money out so QuickBooks knows this is a cash drain. If this is a fixed recurring cost, like a software subscription or rent, you don't have to input it 12 times. Just flip the toggle switch from one time to repeating. This opens up a frequency menu where you can tell QuickBooks to automatically project this exact cash drain every single week, month, or year. Once you have your parameters set, glide over to the right and click the green Save button. The row will automatically compress, and if you look back up at your master timeline graph at the top of the screen, you will see your future cash line adjust downward instantly. This lets you see exactly how a future bill impacts your safety threshold weeks before it actually happens, all without creating an accidental double entry on your official tax files. If this forecasting guide helped you take control of your business expenses today, drop a like, subscribe, and consider hitting that join button to support the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.